Gbogbo ilẹ̀ Afika láti ní wàhálà o. Ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí ọmọkùnrin sọ láti Gambia. Wọ́n ti tà wá o. Afika múra. Mi ò ní sọ ju yẹn lọ o. Mo kàn ní sọ̀rọ̀ sí ni. Wọ́n ti tà wá. Ó tiẹ̀ ti sú àwa tá à ń sọ̀rọ̀ gan. Wọ́n ti tà wá o. Ó ti yé yín. Gbogbo àwọn boys wa tán di wèrè sí gbòòrò. Gbogbo táwa yìí náà ti dán wòrè ni. Àmọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ọjọ́ mi ni. Wọ́n ti tà wá nílẹ̀ Áfíríkà. Kò ṣe ilẹ̀ Nàìjíríà. Ilẹ̀ Áfíríkà wọ́n ti tà wá. Ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí bọ̀bọ́ yìí sọ láti Gambia. Kí ni ìyàtọ̀ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ń bẹ àti Nàìjíríà?
Honorable Speaker, a parliament is not a graveyard. A parliament cannot all agree onto one thing. When all of us agree onto one thing, then we are not thinking as a parliament. But Honorable Speaker, I am not happy with one of the comments that you made on my side, telling me, be disciplined. Respect is reciprocal. We give it to you, you give it to us. It is time for us to have the concern of our people at heart and eat the best and treat our people in the best manner, because the Gambia deserve the best. The priority of our people should come first before any other thing. And in the priority of our people, that we should never compromise. Honorable Speaker, the cost of living in this country is very high, as other honorable members clearly state. You can go to this shop and they tell you, for instance, if you want canned drinks, this guy will tell you it's 35. If you go to the next shop may tell you 40, the other shop may tell you it's 50. There is no form of price control. But I can vividly remember when His Excellency, Sir, Professor Dr. Alahdi Idede Jame was here. And the politicians went on and saying that everything that people are selling, he will also go further to sell that. Selling this dry fish and selling pepper and everything. But today we know the reason as to why he was selling all those things. The government of this country need to address that. I know the ministers are not suffering. I know the president is not suffering. The members of parliament, you are not suffering because you are well paid. But the individual that you are paying $3,000, you want him to buy a bag of rice for $1,600. A gallon of oil is how much? What about the transport to work? So we need to think of how to better the situation. Time and again, the ministries will come and tell us there is no money, there is no money. But yet no minister will resign. We can make a difference if we all agree and come to terms. When it comes to this murder case, I was thinking like it's time, but it's not yet time. When it comes to this murder case in the country throughout, I can remember the only advice that was given by the former president to the new president of your country was security. He said, Your Excellency, do not compromise with the security of this country. I wish the president adhere to that advice alone, then it would have saved this country greatly. But look at it, who is killed? And who will be next to be killed? It may be a member of parliament, it may be a minister. The security of this country, and the president, we secured him fully. We secured the ministers. They failed to give the Gambian people security in return. So sad. And we all want the same Jannah. It's not possible. People give you whatever they want, or whatever you want, in return for you to better their life. You fail to better their life. Please, I want to urge the government to secure the life of the Gambians because they don't deserve the manner in which they are dying. Honorable Speaker, Pase, you are the Speaker of the House, and you are the custodian of the House, and you are the chair, and everything, all the titles. But Honorable Speaker, I am not happy with one of the comments that you made on my side, telling me, be disciplined. I have utmost regard for this country and for this House as well. But I am a representative of the people. As young as I may be, I deserve every respect that every other member possessed. And I will always continue to respect you. And I will always continue to respect members of parliament. But I am so disciplined, to be very honest. So I deserve equal treatment, and the people of the House also deserve the utmost respect. Respect is reciprocal. We give it to you, you give it to us. And a parliament is not a graveyard. People are entitled to their opinion, their ideas. A parliament cannot all agree on one thing. We must differ in opinions. And at times the parliament must be a critical place wherein people disagree. When all of us agree on one thing, then we are not thinking as a parliament. This is the house. If this house is good, 100%, the nation will move forward. But if this house is bad, the nation will not move forward.